Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening to you. Welcome, bro.
Yeah, I'm enjoying your program. That is why I copied your number to call you to contribute my own issue.
No problem, my brother. You have the floor. 3 minutes.
Yeah. Okay. My brother, you see my origin and I beg those people that don't cast, that have do their own time fast. All this is jealousy and envy. Do you get my point?
Very, very clear. Very, very clear.
I'm calling from Zoo, and I'm living at the Ruduwa Lounge. I'm seeing everything that's going on.
No need to mention. Just continue saying what I'm saying, bro.
Okay. So these people, all this blackmailing, because they want one thing to other in the position of the Biafran government that not have it, that not got it. That is what they're angry. The same in my origin that I say that Caterpillar has died, that he has gone for good. He say they don't buy him. He's working for him, and they don't die. The same person still come back and say Caterpillar still their life.
My brother,
so we forget about what he says 2 months ago. Or since last year, now he's returning back to blackmail our COS because of they want something to other that not got it. That is why all of them that are very angry and mad. So if you see them talking those things, everybody where they in this zoo know they like people. They know the respectful people. Even we where they zoo, we know the right person, the right channel. This thing where this happening now, it happened during time of Nazi and all that. We know how it goes. So nobody can fool us again.
Thank you, bro.
So that is my contribution, my brother.
Thank you. I really appreciate you. There's something that you said here that makes me laugh.
Hello.
Can you hear me? Hello? Yeah. He said something that made me laugh because I remember when this guy said that thing, that Caterpillar is gone. That no, let me not go there. I thank God about someone already. I remember that in years I choose not to talk about it so that people will not say that you are going hard on him. You understand? But since you said it, let me just rephrase it anyway. But I'm not gonna say much about it. Let's just forget about it. But the way he remembered it now is very, very interesting. Very, very interesting. I see you, blessing Chuku. I see you, all of you that are making comment. God bless you all. We are coming to that. So let's continue listening to this woman. The line is still open in case you want to.
Submit your phone number. Those of you.
There's nothing like this phone number at all. This is just live from pit of hell. Like he said that somebody called to inform. The person called this to tell you that this woman was in the Yoginkere platform. After he made his open speech, his mind and spirit was in USB because he knows what happened in USB more than he knew what happened. He knew what happened in Yoginkere fundraising, and I don't blame her. That's possible. That's Tina, our sister is here. I love your question. She said, must they lie before they shine? Yes, that's what they believe. That's what they believe. And Ebe ways showed that about that they are trying to lie at people that are more intelligent, more smarter, more educated, more richer than them. Oh, that's one of them. That makes the job. That makes their job very, very difficult. Very, very way too difficult. And somehow they are going